Introducing the ultimate culinary companion, your gateway to a world of flavors, community, and conscious cooking. Sign up and log in to unlock a world of possibilities. Your recipes and community are all securely safe on the cloud for whenever inspiration strikes. Embark on a culinary journey around the globe with our worldwide cuisines features. Whether you're craving southern comfort or traditional Japanese flavor, we've got you covered. Plus, explore dishes tailored to your dietary preference and discover fascinating facts. Need something positive? Our search features makes finding the perfect recipe and breeze. Search by cuisines, search by ingredients, the possibilities are endless. Once you have found your culinary masterpiece, dive into the details with our comprehensive recipe pages. From ingredients to instructions, we've got everything laid out for you. Plus, handy test like duration and preparation requirements to ensure a seamless cooking experience. Join the conversation with our vibrant community of foodies. Share your success stories, get creative with your adaptations, and let your voice be heard. Love a recipe? Save it to your personalized cookbooks for easy access anytime, anywhere. But wait, there's more. Say goodbye to food waste with our Zero Waste initiative. From weekly blogs on top food wastage to handy tips and tricks, we have got everything you need to reduce waste and make a positive impact. Your culinary journey, your way. Join us today and let's cook up something amazing together.